Silangan blank space.
Silangan blank space.
Silangan blank space. We
I have family day.
yeah, you have. Nandun na agad. Tara, naubos na yung tubig.
Beach. Babagyo na po kayo! Mga teachers! Para mag-work kayo sa... Yes! Yay!
Ang bilis, ang bilis. Ang bilis.
It's the proper preparation natin. And then the team introduction and family and manood po tayo ng mismo. One community! Love each other happily. Look at us, and we will have a blast. For today,
Are you excited?
Yes, or no?
I will read a question here po. Sa mga nakakarinig po na may program.
Actually, lagi kong sinasabi na surprise ako with the teachers in pala guys from the start. Then alam niyo na nag-start na kami as Easter egg and then we joined the
So dito na lang tatapusin ang aming vlog. Tara na, awarding na. Awarding na. Ano yun? Pie?
Teacher is not allowed.
So yun, nandito tayo sa Silangan. Sabi mo, Silangan blank space.
Silangan blank space.
Silangan blank space. We have a can I check your damit? This one is we have family day. Yay! Let's go. Oh, there's a car. Silangan blank space. We're here. We're here. Oh. Dito oh. Come here.
What's this? What's this, Papa?
I don't know.
I
Ayan oh. Wala picture. Ayan, tawagin mo si teacher.
teacher.
Easy teacher, oh. Aga mo. Aga mo, ah.
Let's go to teacher. Come on. No, please.
Uy, breakfast table. Where's the others?
Oh, I got them.
Wag, ako na lang malaglag. Mamaya. Sige, mahulog yan. Di ka na makakain yan. Sige. Hi.
I have family day.
Yeah, you have.
And yours too. And yours too.
Yeah. Ito yung campsite. Hi, sir.
See,
Kain ka?
lalagay ko ito.
O, sige lang, lagay mo dyan.
Ay, po kayo. Po kayo. May saksakan dun.
Wow. What do you want, sir? Pandesal? Gusto mo pandesal?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. You want watermelon?
I like it.
Dito pala. Go! Go!
Malood po tayo mismo.
Ay, ba't naparga?
For today,
Yes or no?
yes, how about in our great name? Hi, what's your name? Kuya Kaden, are you excited for today?
Are you excited?
Yes. Okay, everybody, let's give a round of applause. So if you want to eat pa po, meron pa po tayo dyan. Pero before we do that, let's begin po our day with our leader. So may I call on Teacher Steffi po. Yan. Maraming kayo. Ayan, so marami na kami prepare para sa kids and the parents as well. So sana po lahat po tayo ay mag-enjoy and then after this po, next and proper preparation natin and then the team introduction and family and presentation. After that, meron po tayong things for parents and yes po, speaking of family, yes. So, body na susundan din po ng kids, mommies, and daddies. Kids, are you ready to do your Zumba? Kids? Ayan, music please.
3. Okay.
Thank you po. Smile po.
1, 2.
Unity where everyone belongs. Families together, stronger than ever. Stories, shine forever. What are we? One community. Yay! Ganun po. So thank you. And you, all included, standing tall. Glory, we love
Okay po. Okay lang po kung mabagsak ba yan?
Yan, with only decorations, ano nga gagawin natin para ma-cheer up naman yung yellow team? 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! I'm ready to lead John! Ready na po ba, yellow team? Picture ba? Ay, picture! One last picture. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright po. Yeah. Next na po, Yellow team, are you ready? Aye, Captain! I can hear you! Aye, Captain! Oh! Little Sunny family, love each other happily. Look at us, and we will have a blast. Bright like Mr. Sun, bright like Mr. Sun, and we will have some fun. We are Yellow Team! Hey, Yellow Team, pero wait lang po. Wait lang po. Same question with our blue team. How did you come up with that? Yes po. Teacher Steffi. I was inspired because it's a joyful event in the family here, especially the yung exuding ng love nila sa school nila, and because of having children, you love, you enjoy your happiness for today. And please your song. Thank you, Yellow Team, Green Team, Blue Team. Anong sasabihin? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Wala lang yan. Ang galing nyo! Yay! Next team, our Green Team. Punta na po tayo dito sa ating Castillo. Three families, one goal. Ready to play, ready to win. Family days where we begin. Green Team, best of the best. Ayan, so sino naman po ang nakaisip ng Yela? Tanong mga inspiration for teachers. Teachers, ayan.
Tinatawag mo tayo ng bayaw, bumaba. Ito mo sa iyo.
Na po
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Good Good luck po! Cheer po para sa bawat team!
Yellow Team! Yellow Team!
Yellow team! Hindi ka po lalabas. Bawat lalabas.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Right, left, right.
Oh, ngiti muna kayo dyan. Talaga dito, Dio, no. Come here. Dio.
Malapit na po, malapit.
Right? Left. Nagpasapat, no?
Antayin na lang po kayo! Ay, sorry.
Tunaan.
Mabagyo na po kayo! Come on, teachers!
Daya nyo, inarangan nyo ah.
Right, left, right, left, 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 right, left.
Ano pa? Ayun pa na.
Pwede sa akin mga kuya, teachers and helper, para mag-work kayo sa Go, go, Up and then go back home, kuya. Go. Yes! Yay! Hop, kuya, hop. Kuya yun ah.
Wala na lang tiran.
Yun na yun.
Ayoko na, ayoko na.
Okay, kuya, here.
Go, go, go. You can do it now. Ang bilis, ang bilis. Ang bilis. Go, 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 go! Bye bye, bye bye!
Very good.
Good job!
Go, teachers! Bro, it's so cool. Cheer your mommy and daddy. Cheer your mommy. Go, blue team. Go, blue team.
Go, no, stay.
Party. Upo na lang. Teacher, where?
Si Zion tatabi yan. Family day.
Tubig na marami ito, namumula na. Ay, wala na.
Corn na lang? You want corn?
It's yummy corn. It has
Nandun na agad. Tara, naubos na yung tubig.
Teach, pasuyo lang kina kuya. Kuya Toto. Andyan?
Ayan. So, thank you po for joining. And
Okay.
I will read a question here po. Sa mga nakakarinig po ng microphone ito, ayan. So, you can gather here po sa ating hall.
How to make them follow. Doon yung how you make them follow. Kaya actually, lagi kong sinasabi na surprise ako with the teachers in Balagay from the start. Then alam ni teacher na nag-start na kami as Easter egg and then we joined the summer camp. And now parang kasi dati hindi namin alam paano pasunod yung Ezra. And somehow, along the way, this lack.
Bilat eh.
Ayan.
Go overheat yan. Yan.
Fair and square.
Yellow team and blue team, you can cheer for your groups, ha? Okay.
Kaya kuya.
Gaan lang po yung saglit. Ay, gaan lang po.
Ready na po.
Ayun natin ng markers po. Markers.
Now be ready to put stickers to the ground.
Gusto mag-pass. Sila na po yung panalo. Tama ba?
Wala pa.
Hihigtayin ko lang.
Three, two, one.
We are the winner! Yellow team! Mommy! Let's go! Yay! So dito ko na lang tatapusin ang aming vlog. Tara na, awarding na! Awarding na. Ano yun? Pie?
Teacher is not allowed here, kids. There lang.
So, dito na lang.
Eat your waffle, okay?
Sir, enough na sir! Nia! Enough na baby! What's that? Enough na, let's go home na daw tayo. Nagutom ka na. Be, last kumain ng waffle oh. Gutom. Na, all done na daw.
Si Zion.
Ayun, yung bibig ko punong-puno oh.
Let's go na! Time's up!
So, time's up na po. All done.
Water! Water!
O, balikan na.
Oh, wear your slippers na.
Okay, bye-bye. Dito na lang ang aming vlog. Bye-bye. Awat na. Okay. Peace out.